Hello, lovely souls. Today our reading is going to be on the next 72 hours. So, what is going to happen in the next 72 hours? So, let's see what's going to happen. And there are three piles. So, you take your time, close your eyes, think about the next 72 hours, and then choose a pile. You're guided to wait for some time before choosing and choose the star which calls you the most. Okay, and let's see what star is calling you. The red one is the first one, the blue is the second star, and the silver is the third option you have. So take your time and pick your pile. Till then I'll be starting with the red. You want, you can pause the video so that you can choose your pile, but I'll be starting with the red pile. So I'll keep the red star here so that it is visible to y'all, and let's see what's coming for you in the next 72 hours. Okay, I get a beautiful seven of pentacles over here. So I see you're going to get the rewards of your hard work. So don't walk away before you even get anything. I see you have been very loving, nurturing, caring. You have been a patient for a very long time. You have been a lot of very creative. You have tried to start something new, or you have worked on a connection and you want a new beginning, and that is coming. Okay, if you have given your creativity a chance, if you have given your career a chance, so I can see you trying to walk away in the next 72 hours. Okay, you trying to say that I'm not going to get rewards from this, I better walk away. I see this red star as a sign of danger, like seeing the red flags everywhere. So you need to wait, you need to calm down. Okay, you need to be patient. I see that you have been keeping patience for a very long time. You have been trying to meditate over it, you have been trying to manifest it, and you're feeling that this is not going to happen now. Okay, and it's been a very long time, and I should start my life afresh, and I should do something new. So I see you wanting to walk away, but you're looking behind that, my time and efforts are in waste. Nothing happened that's of that sort. You were very loving, you were very caring, you were very nourishing to this particular project or this particular person, and in the next 72 hours I see you walking away from it without even getting the results of it. So what I see over here is, just wait, just hold on. Okay, after 72 hours a new beginning is coming for you, a new life is coming for you, you're going to get the rewards of your hard work. Okay, so you need to hold on, you don't need to walk away from what you have built already. So that is what I have for the red star. Okay, and let's move on and let's see what we have for the blue star. If you have chosen the blue star, what is coming for you in the next 72 hours? This gives me a very cool and emotional feeling. Let's see, strength. Okay, so if you were worried, if you were taking a lot of stress about a particular thing, I see you getting the strength to have control over the situation, or you controlling the situation in the next 72 hours. I see you having the courage to go forward and just take whatever problems are coming in your hand, and you're taking action towards them. I see you getting justice in that. I see justice for you, so you don't need to be worried about it. I also see a beautiful emotional relationship time for you in the next 72 hours. Maybe your partner will be very loving and caring towards you, or a person, if you are not married, will be very loving and caring towards you. He will understand your needs, that you are very tired and you're very exhausted, and you are you can't go any forward. So he will give you the good time you are requiring, and he or she will give you the energy to become a magician again. So that's what I'm saying. In the next 72 hours you will feel that you are getting the control of your situation, you are getting justice in a particular situation. Or maybe if you feel stuck in a something, if you feel stuck, okay, and you're not able to move forward, like you're just sitting on list of problems. Oh, that's what I get. This is a chest of pentacles and a person is sitting on top of it. and if you are feeling tied up and you're just sitting on a situation and feeling when is this ever going to move? Okay, so I see like whether it be a love situation or a workplace situation, or you don't have any job or something like that, I see a offer coming to you depending on what you want. Okay, if you're looking for a love offer from your person, that is what is going to come. If you're looking for a job, that is what is going to come for you. I'm not going to say that a particular thing is going to come, because I see more of a person coming towards you with a loving and caring approach, and the way you can't move on any further. This person is going to give you the strength and the energy and the power to become a magician again. So in the next 72 hours, if you are stuck with something, I see you getting justice. I see you moving forward. I see your connection moving forward, if that's what you are waiting for. And you're tired of taking efforts. That's what I see. Just see the Ten of Swords. This person still wants to take efforts, though he has been backstabbed many times. Okay, so this is what I see. If you have been felt that many people have hurt you and nothing has worked out for you ever, and in any relationship or situation, then I see you getting the strength, becoming the magician again, healing up, your heart chakra. See, the heart over here is glowing, so I see the heart healing, and you becoming a magician. So you will get the strength, you will become a magician in the next 72 hours if you have chosen the blue star. Okay, let's move on and let's see what is coming for you if you have chosen the silver star. Okay, so if you have chosen the silver star, let's see what's coming up for you. Three of Cups, celebration. I see some good news, some celebration coming your way. And I see you being the main person, serving people, being kind enough and nurturing people. So I see you doing all the work for that special occasion, like you cooking, or you doing some things, you cleaning the house, you doing something for the celebration. But the big thing is, I see you balanced. Okay, you are really in your power. You're really balanced. So you feel very nice. You are happy if there's some celebration coming up. You are excited. You want to prepare for it. I see you even preparing food for the thing yourself. So that is what I'm finding. Again, I see a lot of balance and positive energy if you have chosen the silver star. I see hope, I see faith coming for you in the next 72 hours. It's beautiful. I tell you, again, the sun card, the most positive card in the deck. You have all the beautiful cards, you have all the positive energy you need, you're balanced, and there's nothing much beautiful than that. Okay, also I see lots of happy family. That's what I told you, family get together, family coming together and enjoying together, having a nice time over here with your family members. Somebody in your family is getting married, or there's some occasion in your family which will call you to come together and have fun. Okay, and meanwhile I also see you choosing love. Okay, I also see I was just trying to arrange the cards according to what I feel is coming up for you. I see you choosing love over money over here. I don't know why I'm saying that, but I see you are already financially balanced. I see you are very positive about you have already built a life. This is the King of Pentacles. I see you have come very farther in your career, and now is the chance for you to choose love. So that's what I'm seeing over here. I'm seeing toxic cords in your life being cut away. I see a new door opening for you. I see the door to the past closing up and a new positive door opening for you. I see a bright happy life over here. I see you enjoying, I see your freedom for you. Basically, I see happiness, I see celebration coming your way. And I also see someone stalking you from far. Right, so I see someone who's very attracted towards you, and stalking you from far. Maybe you will be putting a picture of your celebration, what is coming up in the next 72 hours, maybe a get together, and you will be putting those photos, and you will be putting your happy photos up or something, and that will make someone attracted towards you, and that will make someone feel that you're very positive, you're very balanced, and that could get some love interest in your life in the next 72 hours. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing. Someone will see you. That's what I see. Someone will see you free and enjoying. Someone will see you, have reached a very nice place in your career. You have reached a position. So that's what is coming for you in the next 72 hours. I hope you liked the reading today. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, the Hierophant 1111, and also like, share and comment on my channel, and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from me in the future. See you guys tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.